Oh shit, I wasn't even recording properly.
Actually, I'll just stay right here.
Recording. I don't need you to tell me what to do.
Alright, next time, that's it.
Hey, we won.
What's wrong, bro? You mad? Did you call him?
No.
Why is he going up there? This is very risky.
This is wild.
What? We're going down here.
Okay, fine. I'm like, what is that noise? And he's just over there.
What
Okay.
piece is that?
Alright, we have to play this very smart until we make a right.
Make it right.
Yeah.
We're sneaking around in this house.
We're sneaking around the roadblock right now.
What is he doing? Oh yeah, keep going.
Oh, it says do not enter.
Oh, that's for that side.
Oh.
Nice. That stop right there made it look like we were confused to
Yeah.
where we were going. So if he asked, just be like we were confused.
Wait, what? This is not the right way?
We lost.
Oh,
we don't know what
shoot.
Right there. Right there. Turn around.
Wait, I'm gonna just tell him like I don't know how to get out of here.
You want to try just going around him?
Yeah, let's go around.
Go around him.
Yeah?
Just go around him. Well, how else are we gonna make the U-turn? No, that way. Go the other way. Go, 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 go.
Is
Hurry
that a
up.
one-way?
Hurry up and go. Hurry up and go. There's nobody in the
I
car.
don't know.
Oh my god. Did we just sneak in?
Yo.
Oh.
We just snuck into Miami.
Don't say that yet, because there might be another roadblock.
I can't believe we actually just snuck into Miami. There's a huge roadblock right there. It looks dirty, right?
Oh
Yeah,
shoot.
what is
It's
white?
stirred up. All the sand.
Yo, where's Danny?
I don't know. You can be on
Oh
your
shoot,
right.
he's right there. Oh, get all this. Stick the
Wrong.
See, this is very devastating when nature has to go through something like this. I think I'm gonna go pick it back up and reattach it. And the way this snapped, I think we could put it back into place like a puzzle.
100%, 100%. 100%.
I think I'm gonna just leave it here though. To be
Yeah,
honest,
yeah.
you know. I don't want to mess up nature.
Yeah.
It's not right. Irma was here.
I mean, what happened here?
I mean, as you can see, the tree fell.
Bend with the legs, not the back.
I got the back.
What is that? Why are you straddling?
Never been this high. The water is very high. I come here about 15 times a week. That's Dory! What's up guys? Me and my colleague Eric coming to you live from Miami Beach, Florida right now. Hurricane Irma just passed and this beautiful boat just washed up, as you can see.
Oh, what the hell?
Linda!
No. Oh my god!
It's gone! I don't know what's going on out here, but we're gonna get out of here.
Yeah, crazy people around here.
Alright, we're gonna head out of Miami Beach right now. Yeah, a bunch of trees have fallen down. The water is disgusting. It's all sandy. It splashed me. I have sand all over myself. There's debris everywhere. Other than that though, I mean, there's no flooding. We're gonna drive down to Ocean Drive real quick and then check out Brickell if we can.
These guys hope they shut this down.
Sand all over the grass.
They're just letting anybody in.
Look at that. We're gonna help like 6, oh my god, 6-car garage.
We're just here at Star Island. We're just making a quick pit stop. They got beat up pretty bad out here.
Oh shoot, there's a cop at the other side. Okay, he's flashing. So we're getting out of here. Police are there and we're just gonna leave. We're not trying to get in trouble, especially since we're not supposed to be here at all. This is the checkpoint that we cut around somehow. You can't tell now, the water went down, but this was all flooded last night.
Yeah.
We got stopped by the cops. Yeah? What'd they say?
He said, "Where do you live?" Fort Lauderdale. Go home! He was so rude. Breakfast! Breakfast!
Ron, who got it worse, Miami Beach or Brickell?
I can fix that.
This will be the end of the video. Peace.